What's up guys, we are back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this super cool cartoon text effect, a super fire effect that looks something like SLAYR music videos. It's really a style that's been going crazy at the moment and I'm gonna show you how to do it from scratch. Also, right before we start, if you're a fan of these kind of effects, then I need to put you on to my brand new pack, the Fun Effects pack. The Fun Effects pack is made for you to stop making boring repetitive edits and actually transform them into your own universe. Cartoon animations, anime effects, retro gaming overlays, coming graphics, it's basically a creative playground for your edits. So if you want your videos to stand out without spending hours animating them from scratch, download Fun Effects today and start creating edits you'll actually be proud of. Now with that said, let's get into this banger. We want to create our text, so what's important right here is to choose the right font. So I have a couple of fonts that look cool, but this one is called Sing Song. If you want to look it up, it is a pretty cool font because as you can see, they have like these little stars, so that's the font I'm going to use. Now we're going to give it a color, obviously, but how we're really going to give it its nice shape is, let's say for example, this, I'm going to make the fill pink, and then the stroke, we're going to increase it. Now this is a cool style that you could use as well, but what I like to do nowadays is take the stroke and put it into a darker shade of the color that we just picked, right? So as you can see, it's automatically going to add a bit more depth. It just looks right, it never fails. So with that said, we're gonna add a drop shadow to it, we're gonna stylize it, and then we're gonna animate it so that we have this super cool cartoon effect. So let's add a exclamation mark right here. Ooh, look at it right here, it looks super cool. I'm gonna have it right here, this one. We got the drop shadow as well. And I think what I'm gonna add to make it pop, we're gonna go to effects and presets and we're gonna add the light sweep effect as well. Now let's put it on the center, something like that. Yeah, that looks super cool. So for now we have this text. It already looks pretty nice. Now that this is done, we want to animate our text, right? So I'm gonna show you how to make your own animation. Let's do all transform properties. So we have all of these, and then we're gonna add an expression selector, and then we can do alt click on the amount right here. I'm gonna paste the expression in the comments. If you want to get it for yourself, you can just paste it on here, Command C, Command V. And then at first, when you're gonna apply it, nothing's gonna happen. That is because we need to set our properties right here. What do you want at the beginning? Basically, whatever you put is gonna be from this 0 to our animation. So let's say, for example, we could make the position lower at first, that it would do this. So you see like the bouncy feel we're already getting, and then you can decrease the opacity, that way it comes in like this. You can go for something super bold. That's what I love about expressions as well. You could go for even lower, so you have a more intense feel, and then also do the scale like 0, that way it's like super bouncy, right? So now we're getting something really fun. I think what we're gonna do is activate the motion blur as well. So now we have this super cool bouncy animation right here. I think I'm gonna place it right over here. We're gonna decrease this maybe to like 500 because I wanna have multiple ones as well. Create this whole like cool scene. So we got one right there, yo, which looks super dope. I think I'm gonna duplicate it, put another one right here, and then another one right there, a little smaller, this one. And then we can also change the colors without doing it manually. You can just add the hue saturation, because I think I want to variate the colors. So you can use hue saturation, spin the wheel, and as you can see, look at what we have, guys. This is amazing. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, I drop bangers like this all the time. My goal is to have the best editing community out there. So make sure to subscribe for more sauce. All right, these look so dope. I think the only issue is they all come in at the same time. Let's just add like delay, like a delay on the keyframes right here. So now we're gonna have this. Yeah, that looks dope. That looks super cool. That is so far. By the way, the animation that you just saw, that we just created, is also in my Fun Effects pack that I just dropped. You have a bunch of really fire animations just like this that are completely drag and drop. Like raining sparks, for example, if you drag them in, you get this crazy raining stars effect. I am so proud of this pack, guys. I'm gonna add a few more. There's also best rainbow trail that I absolutely love. I can really add this like colorful, vibrant feel that's like super viral right now. That is so clean. I'm gonna put it under the text though. There we go. Something like that looks super cool. Really like the easiest way to get insane overlays. I love these like money falling, smiley faces. We got a bunch of stuff that literally like transform your videos in seconds. This is actually mind-blowing. This is crazy. There are 85 plus assets within the pack. They're all super crazy and are made for you to stand out as a video editor. So if you want to check them out, check the link down in the description. And I also left you a discount code, just 15, if you want to have 15% off. All right, so now that we have this, we're gonna transition into the other scene. I want to show you how to make another style of text that work really well as well, but like more in a choppy style. So let's just cut these, and I'm just gonna delete the two first ones, and we're gonna change the font to something like Arcade Classic, which is like super cool for like this arcade more kind of style. I think we're gonna make it like, yeah, green. So it's all about fonts like with that. And then if you want to make it into a more choppy style, you can go and add the posterized time effect on it. So you'll have 12, and it also adds that effect. When you put it on an adjustment layer, it's going to add that effect to the rest, but it's still super fire. Also, if you want to make the text wiggle around, you can absolutely do that by doing alt click on the position, wiggle. And then if you want to make a more present, like the text going all around, you can do like 1 comma, and then let's do like 800. As you can see, it's gonna fly like pretty much everywhere, because you can see it's like longer distances, whereas you could do 24 but like 25, and then it would shake faster but like shorter distance as well. But I feel like if you have the motion blur, it just looks like it's shaking. Whereas if you remove the motion blur, it's gonna look more, you know, that kind of style right here. Super dope. I think to add way more style, I'm just gonna add a Y2K star border from the bonus of fun effects. Just gonna scale this up right here by 200%. That's super clean. So this is what we have so far. Yeah, that looks hella clean. I think I'm gonna add insane spinning stars right here in the middle as a transition. Just watch this. And I think I'm gonna build the scene even more. I love the game menu one right here. Let's just insert game menu, scale it up, then add race cars, pixel hearts that we're gonna put right here. I think I'm gonna get rid of the border. Boom. Now just look at this. That is so clean. That is so fire. Insane. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing. Also, please let me know in the comments what else you want to see from this channel. And I'll also leave the link to Fun Effects down below so you can easily check it out. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one.